6 miles on Friday morning.
Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that y'all are all having a lovely day today. So if y'all don't mind, I have something very cool and special to share with you guys today. I won't take up much of your time, I promise. So this box that y'all see here comes from Terry's Place Designs. She has just launched her own subscription box. And it's not anything that you have to be tied into for the whole year or anything at all. You just purchase it whenever you want to. Now, this kit that I'm about to go through and unbox for you guys and show y'all what's inside, she's curated herself by herself. So I just picture Terry at her desk putting this box together. Now, if y'all aren't familiar with Terry, I would suggest that y'all go and check out her channel. She is a lovely Happy Mail creator. She is a journal maker and she crochets. She's a woman of many talents. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, oh, look how cute. Look at her box. Check this out. Here's all her information. If y'all need to get a hold of her, if y'all want to go ahead and check her out, her email if you are interested in purchasing this box, and her blog spot where y'all can find all her information and reference photos for her subscription. So the purpose of the kits are to help those who want to craft but don't have the room, like the space or the storage, but they don't also want to invest a lot of money in equipment, because there have been times that we go out there, we go and buy something that we think that we absolutely need, and then come to find out it's not even anything that you thought it was going to be. So this gives you a shortcut to just start crafting, and all you need are maybe scissors and glue, and that's it. This isn't strictly, you know, just Happy Mail kits. She also expanded it to be for card making kits as well. I thought that was really cool. So if this doesn't interest you, like with making Happy Mail kits or anything like that, and you just want to make cards, you can also do that. Here she has given me this lovely card, and I will read that off camera. Look how gorgeous this card is, and it goes beautifully with her card. Look at that. That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Terry, for your beautiful card. So when you first get it, the last time we had a thank you sticker. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the sticker, and we'll jump right in and see what's inside. What I like about Terry's boxes is not only does she curate them to be beautiful and to be so eye-catching, but she curates these to whatever is hip and trending. So whenever you dig in, look, check that out. I always get so excited to unbox these. Let's go through the kits and see what all is inside. So this one is a handmade crafting kit. Ooh, and it feels so heavy. There's quite a bit in here. Alrighty. And she chooses great papers too. I love the paper she picks. This is another handmade crafting kit. That's so cool. And I'll be picking 2 of these little projects in here to make with you guys. So if y'all stick around, I will have them towards the end of the video. This is another handmade crafting kit. Oh, look how cute. I love that typewriter. It brings back so much memories. And then here's another handmade crafting kit. I love how she put all of these together. Last but certainly not least, another handmade crafting kit. Oh, these look so much fun. How am I gonna pick? Ooh, should I make the boys pick one for me? I think that would be super special. And we will make one together. All right, Jayzil, here we have 5 handmade crafting kits. I want you to go ahead and select one that you want me to craft here on camera.
Oh, so you gonna craft it?
I'm gonna craft it right in front of our crafty friends here, our little monarchs.
This one.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, so now it's Paul's turn. He's going ahead to pick one for me. Let's see what he picks. Which one? Which one should I make? What do you think? Thank you.
The one with the cupcake.
Lovely. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So in our first crafty kit, this is what we receive. A cute little mason jar, some beautiful sentiments and quotes. Also have some more of these. What's cool about these too is you don't all have to use them at once. So say for instance, if I have anything left over from this kit, I could definitely use it to make this kit as well. And check out the variety of little words that she put in here. So something like this, I feel would take lots and lots of time, especially having to use like the die cutting machine, the one with the little crank. And say for instance, you don't have the time for all that and you don't want to rummage through all your stuff, your stash. They're all ready to go, all in this box. She's already done all the hard work for you guys. And you just glue it together. That's all we're doing. And that's not it, you guys. We're still going. This was packed full of fun goodies. Are you kidding me? Check out these. Funny, because I was going to go out and purchase some of these myself. But now I don't have to. They're all in here. How fun is this, you guys? And you get so many options. Look at that. What's not to like? How fun are these? Oh, how lovely would this even be for a gift? Like gifting this as a present to somebody. Christmas is coming up, guys. I would definitely look into getting this for anybody who wants to start crafting. Check out this folder. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, y'all can't tell me that's not cute. That's two adorbs. Okay, so that was the #1 kit that my oldest chose for me. Let's craft something. And that's it, you guys. Terry, I want to say thank you so much for letting me be part of your design team alongside with Kim's Inspired Life. Go and check out Kim's Inspired Life. She makes some beautiful creations herself, lovely crafter, and I love watching all her vlogs. If you haven't already gone to go check out her channel, please go and do so and subscribe. Alright guys, I hope y'all have a lovely day. Thank you so much for sticking around on this video, and I hope y'all very much enjoyed it. Alright, bye guys, take care, and let's go support our friend Terry.